What are you waiting for?
Okay, the dumb cat won't get on the bed. What the hell? Sammy, come here.
Okay.
Sammy.
Sam, come here.
I have a cramp in my toes. Get Sammy on the bed. Okay, here's Sammy. But... Oh my god.
Wait. Ow, ow, ow. Ow. Okay. Okay, Sam. I'm sorry. Okay. I got him. I got him.
Okay.
Okay. Are you gonna take the picture or not?
It's not a picture. It's a video.
Didn't take one.
No, it's a video.
Oh.
Wait.
It is? Oh.
Wait, brightness.
Okay, Sam. Okay. Don't touch me. Jesus Christ.
So, you're not going to be in the video? Wait, why can't you like falling down? Did I just say that on camera?
No,
Do you think they heard?
No, the microphone has like directional viewing.
Okay, I'm Emma.
I'm a cousin.
Oh, a cousin. Okay, be more specific, Dumbo.
You know who I am.
I know.
Who is this video for?
I don't know.
The public?
No, I don't know.
God?
Yeah, it's for God. Amen, God. Peace out, my boy. I love you, Grandma. Just
God's grandma?
What? You can be Grandma first today. Sammy.
Sam, come here.
You need to go get him again, or should I?
He's just looking at me like...
No, you talk and I'll go get him. Strike the conversation. Let's get
I'm just
rid of
gonna get
myself.
fucked up. Just bring him over here. Don't sit still. Okay. Okay. What the fuck, Sam? It's fine. Why is this all like black and white? He's stupid. Don't even try. Okay. Can we like end the movie, please?
I hear a ring.
Can we end the movie or not?
I was just there for fun.